Beautiful 2016 Lincoln MKX. It is a reserve. About 85,500 kilometers on it. Remote entry, remote start. We do have a power tailgate, 360-degree camera. Reverse sensing, of course. Trailer tow. Adaptive cruise control with collision warning. Active park assist. Remote entry, remote start, of course. Power leather heated cooled front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel. Voice navigation. Revel audio. Got everything in it. You're going to find this beautiful MKX, Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.